Hey, hello everyone, this is Ranjit. Welcome to this channel. In the recent years, you must have heard about all these buzzwords like artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural network, Internet of Things, and whatnot. And you must have wondered what these all are about and how are they really, affecting our life. So everything has to do with the data science. So it's basically the collection of large amount of data and then processing that data to take out the information or relevant information with the help of different techniques, let's say statistical analysis, machine learning and data visualization. And all these involves collection of large amount of data, then cleaning it, analyzing it, interpreting it, and then communicating it in a proper channel. So data science is closely related to artificial intelligence as well, because it helps to create intelligent systems by utilizing data-driven approaches. One of the best example of use of data science is done by Facebook, because they have more than 100 data points about you. So when I say data points, it's basically they have at least 100 points about you to classify your interests or activities. So let's see how this data science is really affecting our life and how is it like related to our life in the day-to-day basis. So one of the best use of data science is in the target recommendation. So let's say you are searching something over the Google and suddenly you start to get that particular product or that particular item on different websites. So what is happening in the behind is different product companies are basically paying it to Google to show their products on different websites, and that's how they try to sell their product. And the next best use of data science is again in the email spamming filter. So whenever you receive a mail, it either goes to your inbox or let's say into your junk folder or spam folder. So in that also Google, let's say if you're using the Gmail, Google is processing a huge amount of data just to differentiate between different types of or categorizes the mail based on, let's say, whether it's a genuine mail or whether it's a spam. Finance is again one of the good examples of where the data science is being used. Banking sectors uses, let's say, to differentiate between a transaction is a fraud transaction or not, or let's say they're also using it to understand whether a particular customer will be staying with them long term or not. And then the data science is being used in the stock market. Many large hedge funds, they basically process large amount of data or this historical data just to predict the future price of a particular stock. And delivery and supply chain is again one of the sectors or the domain where the data science is being used on a large scale. Logistic companies like let's say DHL or FedEx makes use of data science to find the best possible route for the shipment of their products and best time suited for the delivery and the best transport to reach to the destination. Gaming again is a good example of where the data science is being used. So let's say when you are playing with a computer or the opponent is a computer. So every time the opponent or the computer plays with you, it learns from the past mistakes and try to improve itself for the next game. Airline route planning is again a best example of data science, because data science can be used to predict the flight delays with the help of weather forecasting, and they can also by processing a huge amount of data of different news websites across the world. It can also be used to find the best possible route. If you have booked airline tickets online, you must have seen that you get different options. Either you can take transit or you can have the direct flight. So all these are done with the help of data science, and behind it's a machine learning. So image recognition is again a data science, or let's say the data science is behind that. So whenever you upload your image on, let's say, any social network, for example Facebook, it recognizes your face and asks whether you want to tag that particular face or not. In the backend, it's the data science which is being rendered. In the transport domain or the sector, again data science has a major role. Driverless cars are the best example of the combination of data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this the data is fed into the algorithm, and then for the training purpose and based on different let's say parameters like highway speed or climate condition or let's traffic, the data is analyzed and asked to act on a real-time basis or the real-time data. E-commerce is one of the point which I wanted to touch at the last, because e-commerce has been one of the best let's say gainer of data science or machine learning, because like I mentioned previously, when you open Amazon, or you will see all those recommended products, like these are the products that might be useful to you or you would like to buy. So in the back end, it's the data science or machine learning which is basically processing all those data about you or not about you or the particular product that you have searched for, and it goes through your historical orders or historical searches and it recommends particular products for you. Sometimes we also think that it only processes the data which we search, but again it's not that the case. It also looks somewhere around your, your friend's profile or the profile similar to you. Let's say the age, the area where you are living in, the country where you are living in, and then it recommends products which is of the similar age of yours. Like, there is a particular category of people of your age, then it also shows those products which they might have bought. Right, so data science is a big field. It's really amazing, and I think in the coming years we will see more use of data science, machine learning, or let's say artificial intelligence. Thank you so much. Have a great day.